buddies, and welcome to Shinobi Predictions. Okay, so as we all know, as of the moment of recording this video, we are now one day before the anniversary. Okay, so Bandai has been releasing officially leaks in their social media accounts. Okay, so for the past 3 days, I can say that it puzzled us who who might be really the 6.5 anniversary Shinobi. That is why in this video, we will try to decipher what does those leaks means, or should I say clue. Yes, you may argue that some people and also some YouTubers have already released their video guessing who might be them and presenting their own theories. But in this video that I have made, I will open another perspective on who might be Bandai is trying to point to, or who might be the clues. For, okay, so let's begin. So in the screen, you can see the three clues that Bandai gave for the past 3 days. Okay, so the first one, so let's first describe what do they really look like. I mean physically, just the normal thing. Okay, 3 days ago, they released this photo of two papers. Okay, the other is a red paper and the other is a cyan colored paper. Okay, some people refer it blue, but yeah, it also looks like blue, but when I check it in the internet, the color is called cyan. Okay, and then Bandai yesterday released this photo of uh, the paper now transformed into figures. The first one looks like the Uchiha fan, and the other one somewhat looks like a head or a triangular head. And then just now, Bandai released photo of a complete two sets of figures, and those two or papers portray or give clues who might be the next anniversary unit. So the first one, it's obvious already, it's an Uchiha fan. Therefore, we can expect that tomorrow we will receive an Uchiha 6.5 anniversary Shinobi. Okay? But the other one puzzled me personally because it's a triangular shape figure with uh, somewhat like an arrow. Okay, so let's go to my theory. Okay, so I just saw some loopholes with other people's theory on who might be the upcoming anniversary Shinobi. Okay, I am not rebuking here the theories of the other people uh, and other YouTubers. What I'm offering here is a new perspective on how are we going to interpret this origami clues that Bandai gave. Okay? So suppose, yeah, we can say that it might be pertaining to Hashirama and Madara because, of course, the first figure is an Uchiha and the second period is looks like a tree. And yeah, I did research in Google and try to look what does an origami tree look like. And yeah, it really matches the figure. But what puzzles me is why is the trunk of the tree color orange? Shouldn't it be brown at least to portray a tree? Okay. So secondly, why during the first clue that Bandai gave to us, there are two papers. The other one is red and the other one is cyan colored. But in the later on, Bandai released when they were shapen already into figures, the paper now turned into color green, as you can see. So what happened? Uh, what does the blue paper mean 3 days ago? Okay, some people interpret it as maybe Moroshiki and Kawashiki is coming because the color pertains to their karma markings. Okay, but the loophole there is, do you really think Bandai will release such new characters knowing the fact that Ishiki has already been introduced and yet they haven't released it yet to be a playable character? So, how much more will be the percentage or the possibility that they will release new shinobi, knowing that there are still shinobi whom they aren't releasing yet. And we know Bandai, he loves Rikits, and he recently he's been stubborn in making them. That's why we only receive a few Rikits of shinobi. And usually during anniversary banners, they are Narusasu banners, which is very tiring already. So I don't think it's really a very low, high chance that we will be receiving Borushiki or Kawakishiki tomorrow. This is my own opinion, okay? Also, some people is referring to the last clue, the Uchiha fan and the arrow-like or tree-like figure to be a clue that Ashura and Indra is the anniversary shinobi. But another loophole is, uh, Indra is the ancestor of Uchiha, but he is not Uchiha. So I think there is a bit low that it pertains to him. And once again, yes, the other figure may look like a pine tree, but why is the trunk color orange? Is that just a mistake? So maybe uh, each photo is actually uh, foretells a very different perspective. I mean, it doesn't collectively uh, specify particular shinobi. For example, the first clue that Bandai gave us are two papers. We know that the other one is cyan colored paper, and then in the following days, its color now is green. So why there's a change? I don't think it's not coincidental, but rather the first clue that Bandai gave us is portrays a very different interpretation compared to the last two papers that Bandai showed us. Okay, so maybe in my theory, the first clue that Bandai gave, as you can see on the screen, pertains to what type of shinobi or ability that we might get, or does this anniversary shinobi has. Maybe the shinobi is a red type unit and breaks blue color protection or something like that. Or it pertains to a combined concept. For example, if you add red and blue, it makes purple, and therefore Bandai just want to express that the anniversary shinobi is a purple unit, something like that. Okay, so or maybe the shinobi is a fire style user and a water style user, or lightning style user. That is why it's color blue. Or we don't know if it really pertains to two shinobi in particular, or only one shinobi. The much clearer image that I see is the last two clues that Bandai gave us today and yesterday, which already portray some figure. Okay, so even though other people guess that it might be Indra, Ashura, Hashirama, or Madara, in my interpretation, what Bandai wishes to portray here, or should I say, the upcoming 6.5 anniversary shinobi that we will saw tomorrow is actually, what you are seeing right now in front. We might be getting a Shishui Rikit banner. Okay, so what the hell? Why did I think of such a thing? And is Itachi Anbu will also come out? I don't think so. Knowing Bandai, I think Bandai will only release tomorrow one shinobi, and maybe they will also release one shinobi during the WLWC, or one shinobi in AOM. I don't know, but my guess is, we all know Bandai. He has been stubborn recently, but my guess is Shishui. Why? Why did I think of it? So it's already established that the upcoming 6.5 anniversary shinobi, there will be it's an Uchiha. because of the fan. It's very clear. And an arrow, but for me, it doesn't look like to be portraying a tree because of that orange trunk. It really puzzles me, you know. And in my opinion, why is it look instead of a tree, it might be pertaining to Shisui's drill in his Susano. And the Uchiha, of course, is pertaining to his clan. And why orange? Maybe because he uses fire style. And if we look at Shisui's third anniversary Rikit Ultimate, this ultimate, it is said here that Shisui utilizes his Susanoo drill while it fire in it. So it's a combination of the drill and the fire. And maybe that arrow or that tree that we saw in the picture is actually pertaining to Shisui's drill. A combined power of his Susanoo and his fire style. Okay? So maybe it's a recycled version of this ultimate, I think. I'm just offering a new perspective of interpretation. Once again, I am not rebuking the other people's interpretation. Okay? So I just don't want first to copy theirs. They do have a point, and I do agree with them. But I also saw this certain perspective, and this is what I am sharing to you, that we might be getting Shisui Rikit banner for tomorrow, and we don't know. Maybe I'm right. Okay, so well, what if it's true? I will be so happy because, as you all know, Shisui Uchiha is my most favorite character in Naruto. And yeah, it's been a year already since his Rikit came, because his Rikit along with Anbutachi's Rikit was released last year, April. Okay? So that's all are my thoughts, buddies. What are your opinion as regards the upcoming 6.5 anniversary? Are you excited? Share your thoughts in the comment section. So that's all, buddies. Kita kits, mga katropa.